Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. Guys, before we get into today's video, I just want to say shout out to everyone who has been a part of the channel and been a part of this community. We have absolutely been killing it with many trades. One of the biggest just over the last couple of days obviously has been Redbox with over a 200% gain, but there's been many others over the last several weeks and last couple of months. So we've been getting a ton of good comments in the YouTube channel. You know, great job. Why don't you guys have more subscribers? Well, maybe you guys should share us. No, I'm just kidding. But we've been getting tons of good comments there, so I appreciate all of you guys, and shout out to everyone that has been able to capitalize on all of those gains. So today, guys, I have another amazing video for you guys. I have 5 penny stocks to cover in today's video, and the main focus is going to be on one of them. One penny stock that we have already hit on in the past now has two important dates coming up, one here on May 10th. So we're going to be covering this stock in depth today and why I believe it could be one of the next runners. Now, obviously, we cover a ton of good stocks on this channel, but if you want to take it even a step further, make sure you sign up for our completely free NASDAQ and NYSE penny stocks. This is what we do, guys. For over 5 years, we have been providing a completely free service to our investors where we send you guys penny stock alerts on the NASDAQ and NYSE. These are short-term, high probability trading opportunities, and we've been able to capitalize on anywhere from 30% to over 100% gains. We only send out about 1 to 2 alerts a week, finding some of the best opportunities in the market. Like I said, it's completely free, cancel anytime. All you have to do, click the link in the description below and enter in your email, and also then it's going to take you to this page where you can download our free penny stock ebook and also enter in your phone number, because this is much more efficient. So make sure and get your email and phone number in there, because we do have some alerts coming up at possibly this week if we see those catalysts meet our scanner and we see a good opportunity for you guys. So I better see you guys over there. But anyways, guys, before we get into that one stock that I really want to focus on in today's video, let's talk about a big winner. This was ticker symbol FRGE. So as you can see, we covered FRGE just about 2 days ago, I believe, when it was sitting at about $27 here. That is after a 44% run up. Now, as you can see, FRGE had a fantastic day today, up another 22%. And in fact, it has just been running and running and running over the last 5 days. So if you were able to get in anywhere, this was an evening video, I believe, so you would have been able to get in the next morning about May 3rd on the dip here. And as you can see, that stock is up about 24%. So fantastic opportunity. At its highs there is up over 30%. So great opportunity there. Hopefully you guys were able to capitalize it on. But the stock that I do want to focus mainly on in today's video, with a couple other sweet ones at the end of the video, so make sure and stay tuned, is ticker symbol VERU. So this stock is sitting at around $9 right now, has a massive price target, and has very big things coming up for it here in the relatively near future. So one thing I want to highlight is we've already caught VRU once. We were in this stock down here at like $4 per share. Literally, this was crazy. We called this stock like the day beforehand, and now this stock shot up over 200%. Absolutely massive run there for VERU. Now it's obviously come back down just a little bit from its $15 highs, but nevertheless, I think it has another opportunity, and some of the best, at least who I think could be some of the best traders out there, such as Chase here on Twitter, shout out to him, says that VERU shorty getting squeezed hard. He thinks the shorts could be getting squeezed out of this one, and it may have more opportunity ahead. So more things on VERU. 2 big things ahead. The FDA is on May 10th, I believe. Yep, May 10th here is when they're going to be having this, I believe it's a fast track designation. We're going to look at it here in a second, but I believe that's what it is. And also earnings on May 12th. So let me see here. So yeah, so the FDA granted VERU a quick meeting on 5/10/2022 to discuss EUA, sorry, for its COVID-19 pill. So yeah, obviously you guys should remember back, was that a couple weeks ago when VERU came out with that great news on its COVID drug. That is what immediately caused this stock to spike up from $4 to all the way, I think it went over $15 per share, or just under, very, very briefly. So that was all because of the industry there therein and some great news regarding it. Now, they have been granted this EUA meeting here on May 10th, 2022, where we could get some more good news. If they get approved for this fast track, we could see this stock accelerate even more. So make sure and stay tuned for this. May 10th is going to be a big date, and also their earnings date, which is on 5/12, is going to be another big day. So lots of good days coming up here for VERU. Now, just be cautious. These are penny stocks. They are risky. So as fast as this stock could moon, it could also go down just as fast if they get some bad news. So keep that in mind. Last thing here, we know that institutions are pouring into this stock. All the green is buying positions that were recently opened here on Fintel, and as we can see, they are absolutely rocketing. Look at all that green, only 2 red there. That means only 2 sells. Institutions are pouring into VERU. Maybe, just maybe, they have some insight on what's going to happen May 10th at that FDA meeting. So make sure and check out VERU. This stock also has an insane price target. If we jump over here to tip ranks, we can see this stock has a $29 price target. That is a 209% upside on this stock. And in fact, some analysts think this can shoot up to $36 per share. At $36, that would be a 310% increase, on this price target. So big stuff there. Even analysts updating it only 9 days ago. So we could see some big things coming here with VERU. And obviously, analysts are very bullish just over the next 12 months. Imagine if we saw VERU up towards $30 per share when we got in at around 4, at least first entry. Obviously, taking profits along the way. Most of you are probably completely out of VERU, as I think that'd be a great idea, but there's always good times to re-enter after you take those profits. But anyways, guys, let's move on to the next couple stocks in today's video. So the next stock I want to talk about is ticker symbol TMDX. This stock ran up about 40% on the day. We were unable to catch this one, but nevertheless provided a great opportunity for anyone who was able to get into it. So the last 2 stocks I'm going to cover here have a very common theme, right? And this is what I really want you guys to look for when it comes to some of these penny stocks, some swing trades, and just quick catalysts, right? It's going to be earnings, right? We want to check out their earnings and we want to check out their financials. They're all releasing Q2 data here, and if it's good, the stocks are going to rocket, right? So as we can see, they rose after hours on raised future year 2022 revenue guidance. As we can see, TMDX in its Q1 2022 earnings report has said that it now expects future year 2022 net revenue to be in the range of 59 million to 65 million versus its previous guidance. So they actually just got a raise in revenue here, which was absolutely great for the stock and caused it to jump about 40% in the share price. So shout out to anyone that was able to capitalize on that. Moving on here, ticker symbol BHG, Bright Health Group. I think we're going to see a similar story here, right? This stock rises, or let's see, Bright Health jumps after Q1 revenue beat. So pretty similar situation here, revolving around earnings, revolving around revenue beat. We can see quarterly revenue increased 110% year over year to $1.8 billion at Bright Healthcare commercial consumers and Bright Healthcare Medicare Advantage consumers more than doubled from year ago levels to 1 million and 120K respectively. So obviously that was great news for the stock as well. So I want you guys to keep an eye on that. That's why I'm mentioning VERU as well. I think the FDA news is going to be more powerful, but we also have the earnings on May 12th. If they would produce some good earnings, revenue, all that stuff, that could be a great situation there. But that's one thing you want to look at. Keep an eye, see which stock have earnings coming out, right? If you see that a good stock has earnings coming out, you think that they're going to beat substantially, that may be a good opportunity to get into a swing, at least a little YOLO bet on that stock, right? And these are pretty much all YOLOs when you're betting on penny stocks, especially around earnings. But PRs, press releases, earnings, all those things are great for penny stocks, and you could really capture a substantial opportunity. Like I said, guys, if you want to be a part of our community, we will send out to you all of those alerts when we see them. We'll do all the hard work, all the background, and for you guys, all you have to do is sign up at viralstocks.io/sign up. Go to the description below, click the link, or the link will be pinned in the first pinned comment as well, so you guys can enter in your email, and then of course your phone number, so you get all of our completely free NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts. Guys, that's all I have for you in today's video, and I will see you in the next one.